mulembe ogwali ogw'abadaada badaada bwe baabona TV ne bakwata ebyo byaki kibi.
The rest of the world will have taken over.
Bana abensi baidaabi tutoola ku mu byawo nga bw'ojyaku obona bire bakunaime ngeza kirungi ky'obonaku.
There's something really funny happened this morning. On one of the posts that I made on Facebook. Because now you can get AI to write the response for you. And it makes you look really smart. Two separate people had both written the same response. So they both seen the AI suggestion for a response and clicked post. They clicked, yeah, I'll send that. And one after the other, the same comment, word for word. So I just responded and went snap to each of them. Do you play that game here? Snap? So you have to be wise in how you use the tools that we have available. Yeah. And not just blindly use AI. So, back to, you might think, what was that to do with word of knowledge? But remember the minister I talked about that was looking at people's Facebook profiles? You can put that information into an AI program and say, give me 5 words of knowledge about this person. And it will go and have a look at what the word of knowledge is. It will summarize what you've put in from their profile. And then in seconds give you 5 words of knowledge back. So don't do that. Don't do that. So we're going to practice. Are you brave? Now some of you in here know each other. And it wouldn't be a word of knowledge if I said, this man is a pastor. I want a volunteer. And this is similar to what we're going to do tomorrow when we look at prophecy. Because you're all going to ask God to tell you something about this man, whoever the volunteer is. And then you're going to be brave. And you're going to open your mouth and say what you think you heard. And this is a safe place. And you're either going to be right or wrong. But you've practiced.
jja mu maiso ng'ogezesa buki ogezesa ekirabo kino paka bwe kinaakula ki bwe kinaakula.
So one of the things that we do,
ebintu ku bimu bye tukola,
and I've got lots of friends that do this in various formats, various ways. We do it in different ways.
Begamba alina emikwano egy'endawulo egikola ekintu kino aye nga kikola mu mitendera esatu egy'endawulo.
And we usually do it for like healing, to go out and heal people.
Tutera okukikozesa mu ngeri esinga nga tuli kusabira nga tuli kuwonya bulamu bw'abantu, tuli kuwonya abantu.
But you can use it to go out evangelize.
Naye munange ekirabo kino ekyokulagula osobola okukikozesa waagenda kyeyo mu kubuulira enjiri.
So we'll get together and we'll just sit and listen to God.
Bano nga bo bayita abalala abasiriikirira batandika bakuwuliriza Katonda.
And one person might say, I think we should go to such and such a shopping centre.
Twegamba batandika nga basiriikirira tibalina bakujja mu owundi akwati andowooza tujje mu ka trading center kali.
And another person will say, I see somebody with a purple cast on their arm.
Yakate woliko bokujja nva kubonawo omuntu ng'alina purple plaster mu mukono gwe.
Or I see somebody limping.
Owundi akwati mbonawo omuntu owundi alemera.
Or whatever, just listening to God for words of
Ebyo nga
knowledge.
bibaawo aye nga buwuliriza Katonda oba kiye tukolye tuli kujja.
And then they all jump in the car and go to that shopping centre.
Olumaliriza nga kati ndowooza Mukama ayigiriza tujjeeyo nga babuukira motoka nga bajja mu kasente ako.
And then they just sit and wait.
Olutuuka nga batyama nga beetegereza babona.
And that person walks in.
Baba baali bakatoka nga babona ati omweno omulema agenera ati ngayingirawo.
And then one or two of them might engage with that person.
Abantu kubano babiri bafuluma mu motoka bajja okumubuulira enjiri.
And that person's healed.
Omuntu oyo mbagirawo Mukama yamuwonya.
And then the gospel can be preached when you tell them Jesus just healed you.
Kwegamba enjiri aleeba egonze kyangu okubuulira enjiri ng'omaze okumugoba oti munange Yesu n'ava okuwonya. Oyo maama muzibu oyo.
So I'm not sure your faces are saying that you're convinced of that.
Banatinge ba face lemwe dili kundaga nti ekyo mukimatiire omulikuwa mukitwala ere ebyewa iwe ntibikulatiri.
But I assure you, we do it often.
Aye yaliba asambwe waiwere bakikozesa ine ekigambo kino ekyamagezi n'okutegera. Kwegamba singa oyingira mu nnumba ey'omuntu watuka wakoti munange bano wendidye. By the way, let me just add. Waliwo awantu wenajja abooluganda. Okay? Wentuukawo nga njiire olwo natuuka n'alingira wakakati munange. Mukama ava kundaga nga mwasima eidagala lirimu ibaale. Ibaale kuba kuutira ebigere. Olera yakoti. Nga n'omukyala wawaka yayita idi. Nga ibaale yayita eddagala yayita muki? Mu ibaale. Nakwati mumpemba. Okumpemba kw'okusimayo ibaale nti nyo okutwalayo ibaale nga waliwo ekikebe kirimu obulezi. Oyaba muzibu abulira nki? Abanika buwanika emikono yakola ki? Yalokoka.
So maybe you might like to try that.